Look at the question number 2 in the exercise 12.4. Use the given algebraic expression to complete the table of number patterns. Yeah, look at the first part. It's given that 2n minus 1, that is the from the table, that nth term expression is 2n minus 1. They asked us to find the 100th term here. In this 2n minus 1, they asked us to find the which one? 100th term. So 100th term will be, just you replace n by 100 in the given expression, that is 2 times of 100 minus 1. 2 times of 100 minus 1, that is equal to 2 into 100 is 200 minus 1, which is equal to 199. 199. Am I right? Yeah. Now come to the second expression. It is given. Second expression is 3n plus 2. Now what you have to find? You have to find the 5th term and then 10th term and then 100th term. How many terms you have to find? Yes, 5th term and then 10th term and then 100th term. So 5th term is, 5th term of the expression 3n plus 2 is, yeah, what will you do? Replace n by 5 here. So 3 into 5 plus 2, which is equal to 15 plus 2, which is equal to 17. Then again, you have to find the 10th term. Yeah, 10th term is, you have to find the 10th term here, 5th term, 10th term and then 100th term. Yeah. So replace n by 10 here. So 3 into 10 is 30 plus 2, which is equal to 32. Now you have to find the 100th term. 100th term of the expression 3n plus 2. So 3 into 100 plus 2. 3 into 100 is, yeah, 300 plus 2, which is equal to 302. In the expression 2n minus 1, 100th term is what? 199. In the expression 3n plus 2, 5th term is what? 17. So this is 17. And then 10th term of the expression 3n plus 2 is 32. And 100th term of the expression 3n plus 2 is 302. 302 here. Am I right? Yeah. Now come to the third expression. It is given 4n plus 1. Third expression is 4n plus 1. In this expression 4n plus 1, you have to find 5th term, 10th term and then 100th term. Yeah. Now 5th term is what? In this expression 4n plus 1, replace n by 5, that is substitute the value of n equal to 5 here. So 4 times of 5 plus 1, 4 into 5 is 20, 20 plus 1 is 21. And then 10th term, 10th term is, yeah, replace n by 10, substitute n equal to 10 here in the expression 4n plus 1. So 4 times of 10 plus 1, 4 into 10 is 40, 40 plus 1 is 41. And then 100th term is 4 into 100 plus 1, which is equal to 400 plus 1, which is equal to 401. 401. Now look at this expression 4n plus 1. 5th term is 21. And then 10th term is 41. And 100th term is 401. This is the 100th term, 401. Am I right here? Yeah. Now come to the fourth subdivision, that is fourth expression is 7n plus 20. 7n plus 20. You have to find 5th term and then 10th term and then 100th term. 5th term, 10th term and 100th term. So 5th term is, put n equal to 5 here. So 7 into 5 plus 20. 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 20, which is equal to how much, dear? 55. Which is equal to 55. Am I right, sir? Yes. And then 10th term is, here 10th term is replace n by 10, that is substitute the value of n equal to 10 here. So 7 into 10 plus 20, 7 tens are 70 plus 20, which is equal to 90. After that, you have to find the 100th term of the expression 7n plus 20. So put n equal to 100 here. So 7 into 100 plus 20, which is equal to 700 plus 20, which is equal to 720. 720. Am I right, dear? Yeah. Now therefore, the fifth term of the expression 7n plus 20 is 55. Then 10th term is 90. 100th term is 720. And then after that, in the expression n square plus n, this is the last question in this chapter. N square plus n, this is the given expression. They asked us to find the value of the fifth term as well as the 10th term. Yeah, now tell me the fifth term now. Fifth term is replace n by 5 here. So you will get 5 square plus 1, which is equal to 5 square is nothing but 5 into 5. So 5 5s are 25 plus 1, which is equal to 26. Which is equal to 26. And then after that you have to find the 100th term. No, sorry. 10th term you have to find. That is 10 square plus 1. 10 square is nothing but 10 into 10. 10 tens are 100 plus 1, which is equal to 101. So, fifth term of the expression n square plus 1 is 26. The 10th term of the expression n square plus 1 is 101. 101. Am I right, dear? Yes. So, we completed this chapter. During live session also, so we will discuss the exercise 12.4. If you are having any queries regarding about the exercise 12.3 or 12.4, you can clear your doubt during online session. Thank you everybody. Thank you.